First graders, okay, we are going to do another opinion writing right now. And today's opinion writing is on your favorite color. What is the best color? Okay, so this one's a little abstract, meaning it's not something we normally think about of why we like a certain color. So we're going to have to do a little more brainstorming than maybe you have. So this is the page we're going to work on today. Obviously, you can color this crayon to match your favorite color. But right now, I'm actually going to have you turn to this cover page and go to the back of it. And I want you to do your own little circle map, okay? So we're going to put a circle right here, and we're going to put a bigger circle here. And I want you to put your favorite color here in the line, okay? So I think you guys probably know my favorite color is turquoise. Okay, so my favorite color is turquoise or teal or mint green or anything in that blue-green spectrum. And now so put your favorite color in there. And now I want you to think of all the different reasons you like that color. What does it make you think of? Okay, what does it make you feel? Um, okay, so I like turquoise because it's a happy color. It makes me feel happy. It's fun to wear. It's bright. It cheers up a room. It makes me think of the ocean. Okay. Um, it it goes well with my other favorite colors. So it looks good with pinks. I love putting those blues and greens with pinks colors. Okay. Um, let's see. I like it because other people usually like it. Okay, so it's a color that most people are okay with having around. Um, okay, and you can just go through and you can think of anything you have about your favorite color. Okay, if your favorite color is blue, does it make you think of the ocean? If your favorite color is green, do you like it because you see it on the trees and in the grass? If your favorite color is yellow, do you like it because it's like the sunshine? Okay, why do you like your favorite color? Really brainstorm those ideas, okay? And then think of two of those reasons that you want to use for your writing. Okay, remember we write a bunch of ideas and then we pick the two we think are best. So I'm going to do it cheers up a room and that it reminds me of the ocean. Okay, so once you have your ideas, then you can go back to our page and we're going to use the same format we've been using. Okay, so I'm going to turn this a little bit. I think, in my opinion, I think the best color is, that's how we are going to start. So, in my opinion, comma, I think the best color is blank and end with a period. Okay? Now, I'm not going to write the paragraph, that's your job today, right? But I'm going to help you through using these stems. And remember, when we get to these blanks, that is where you share your thinking, okay? You do not put the blank spot here. You share your thinking in that spot. Okay, so that is where you share your favorite color. Okay, then how do we introduce our reasons? Remember the first time we share how we feel. So I'm going to say, I feel this way. We're acknowledging that it is our own feelings. We're not saying that this is truth for everybody. Okay, so I feel this way because, and then you can use as much space as you need to share your reason. I'm going to just take up till the end here, okay, and end with your period. Make sure you are getting those capitals and periods at the beginning and end of your sentences, okay? Because when I'm grading these, that's going to be a big part of your grade, is getting those capitals and periods that we've been working on all year, okay? So we shared one of our reasons. We slowed down our thinking. I feel this way because blank. And now we are going to share our second reason. Okay, so the first time was about how we feel. Now we're going to share a reason from our thinking. Okay? I also think this is how we share this. Remember, you can pause anytime you need to. I also think this. Now, I don't think I quite have enough room for the word because here, so I'm going to come down here. Because, and you share your second reason. And maybe you need more space. Use as much space as you need to share all your thinking. Don't try to squish it onto a line. Okay. Once you have that second reason, again, we end with the period. And now we're going to put our conclusion. Remember, we start our conclusion with that is why. And then we restate our opinion. I think the best color is blank. Okay, so there you go. That is how we do our paragraph about our favorite color. Okay, I'm looking forward to reading about your opinions and just feeling like I'm getting to spend some time with you. See you guys later.